storm. This is a poultry farm. This is Mrs. Booth, the farmer. She has two children called Poppy and Sam, and a dog called Rusty. In the night, there were a big snowstorm. In the morning, it is still snowing. You must wrap up warm, says Mrs. Booth to Poppy and Sam. Ted works on a farm. He helps Mrs. Booth look after the animals. He gives them food and water every day. Come and help me, calls Ted. What are you doing? Says Poppy. I'm talking this hay to the sheep, says Ted. Poppy and Sam pull the hay. They go out of the farmyard with Ted. They walk to the gate of the sheep field. Where are the sheep? Says Sam. They are covered with snow, says Ted. We have to find them, says Poppy. They brush the snow off the sheep. Ted, Poppy, and Sam give each sheep lots of hay. They've got nice warm coats, says Sam. Poppy counts sheep. There are only 6 sheep. One is missing, says Poppy. It's the naughty Wally, says Ted. They look for Wally. They walk around the snowy field. Rusty, good dog, find Wally, says Sam. Rusty runs across the field. Ted, Poppy, and Sam run after him. Rusty barks at the thick herd. Ted looks under the hay. Can you see anything? Says Sam. Yes, Wally is hiding here. Clever Rusty, says Ted. Come on, Wally, let me help you out. Old go, says Ted. Carefully, he pulls Wally out of the hay. There's something else. Look, I can see something moving, says Sam. What is it? Ted, says Poppy. Ted lifts out tiny lamp. Wally has a lamp, he says. We take it and Wally to the barn. They'll be warm here. Poppy right home. She holds the lamp. What a surprise, she says. Good old Wally. Okay, thank you very much for the listening.